Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds Philips. To change your volume for your earbuds you need to or use control at your phone, so volume up, volume down, or you can use control panel on your iPhone or Android device and volume control it right here with the slider. So you move up to increase the volume, move down to lower the volume. We cannot use gesture to volume control, there is no option for it, so only these options. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.